Today, I'll show you how to add additional information to products in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to enhance your product listings with videos, images, or accordions, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Adding rich details to your products can significantly improve your customers' shopping experience and potentially boost your sales. So let's get started and make your product pages more engaging and informative. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Products. This is where all your product listings reside. Click on it to open up the list of products you have available on your site. If you have a lot of products, you might need to scroll or use the search function to find the specific item you want to update. Once you've found it, click on the product to open its settings and details. Now that you're in the product details page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Additional Info. This area is where you can add the extra details that will help your customers make informed buying decisions. The additional info section is quite versatile, allowing you to insert different types of content, such as videos, images, or even an accordion to organize information neatly. If you want to add a video, simply click on the option to insert a video. You can upload a video directly from your computer, or if you have it hosted on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, you can easily embed it by pasting the video link. Videos are a fantastic way to show your products in action, giving potential buyers a clear understanding of what they're purchasing. Should you decide that images would better complement your product description, you can add them just as easily. Click to insert an image and select the files you want to upload. Ensure that your images are high quality and showcase your products in the best light possible. Remember, the better the images, the more likely your customers are to be captivated by your product. For those who have a lot of information to convey, using an accordion can be a great choice. An accordion allows you to organize content in a collapsible format, saving space and keeping your product page looking clean and tidy. Consider using this feature to include detailed specifications, FAQs, or any other information that may benefit from being categorized neatly. Once you've added your desired content, take a moment to review everything. Ensure that your videos play correctly, your images load without issues, and your accordion content is correctly structured. It's crucial to double check everything to ensure that your customers have the best experience possible. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking this will ensure that all the enhancements you've made to your product listing are retained and visible on your live site. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added additional information to your products in Squarespace. This enhanced content can make a significant difference in how your products are perceived online. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other Squarespace guides for more tips and tricks. Happy selling!